Whoa. Hey guys, Simon here, our chair for the telephone here. Today we're playing Teardown. Now, sorry for not uploading for like a month. I was too busy and sorry for that. And okay, let's go to Queenless Security. That's my favorite map already. When I was first playing Teardown. Oh yeah, I have mods as well. Don't worry about that. Oh, it's... Don't worry. I can explain this mod. There's that's a black hole. What does the Zeta cannon do though? What does the Zeta cannon do though? I don't understand. I think it explodes anything in its path. Oh, okay. Run the ship. Right into the ship. Run the ship. Right in the ship. Right in the ship, dude. Right in the ship. Okay, where are we? Okay, I see where we're going with this. Oh! I almost thought I was stuck there. No, my favorite ship, it's dead. I didn't make it. No. Wait, hold on. Before it restarts, let me just, alright guys, I had to take a, now let's continue though. Wait, hold on. What if a car was inside this ship? Shit. I did not cuss. I just said ship. Abort. Okay. 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 Of course. That's what we're talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. There you go. It's close. What the? It's gone! I don't know what happened, but it's totally gone. Okay. Boom. Frick. Frick. Sorry for it. Cussing though. I didn't mean to. Oh. Undo. Undo. Oh, fuck. Sorry for cussing as well, Dad. Oh, it's clipping into the stairs. Oh, no. It's tilting. Okay. Now we're talking. Just. Oh my. What the? Where is it? It escaped. Okay. What the? Okay. Where is it? It escaped. I don't know what just happened, but it totally escaped. Kinda. Okay, kill it. And just kill this ship as well. I hate it. Sorry. That was just a mod. Oh, something really weird is going on. Something really weird is going on with Teardown now. I'm gonna show you. Okay, something weird is going on with my Teardown. It's gone. It's gone. I don't know what is happening, but it's totally gone. What? What the hell is going on? Where did the original one from the top go? Where is it? What just happened? I'm scared.